Welcome back to another video. Monday update, and looks like markets are still cooked. The tension in Iran is still getting hotter. I have a bunch of friends in Dubai saying that there's a bunch of missiles every day, but they're getting intercepted and everyone's safe. So I am still praying, hoping everyone's safe, even though the Iranian leader was already off. And I really thought that markets would recover. I mean, Bitcoin did during the weekend. So I'm going to show you the charts on what I think Bitcoin is going to do. I just want to let you know though that we might be very volatile this week because of the tension in Iran. Plus we have a bunch of economic data that's going to be released this week. So let's go into the charts. All right, so it is still looking very bearish, boys, because we rejected from the POC of this whole range, basically. Now, during war, it's very obvious that the leaders will be gold and oil because the war is in Iran. So a lot of people are probably, a lot of big players are anticipating that risk off assets, will be the number one investment during uncertain times. So oil is up 8%, actually went to like 12% today at the open, and gold also up 3.4%. That is massive. I think it's trying to break out again. Would you look at that? We're almost at the all-time high again. I wonder if we do go up. Meanwhile, Nasdaq is down really bad right now, 1.3%, and Nasdaq almost down 2%, which is crazy. So this is getting scary for our coins, because if Nasdaq and ES finally leaves this level and come down here fast, Bitcoin could go lower as well, and even leave 60k region and go lower. So you can see that Nasdaq was just ranging there, right? So if Bitcoin sweeps this low, even this low, and then we don't bounce, then we're probably heading lower, even to 40k, right? So this is getting scary. But like, we're still holding today. We are at the value area low. That's what I want to see, because we have ISM manufacturing for today. If you can see that, we have it at 10 a.m. and I wonder if this is gonna give us a boost or not, but I'm pretty sure just the way gold is moving right now, like how gold is moving right now, it's one time framing on the 4-hour, and it's looking very strong. After the gap up at the open, we did dip a little bit and just recovered, and it's probably gonna run the all-time highs. So look at oil as well. So oil at the open, massive gap up, tried to fill half of it, and then straight recovery again. It's probably gonna bounce just because of this war. So right now it's pretty hard to say my bias, but I feel like we're really gonna go lower, just how Nasdaq and ES is looking right now. It's not looking very fluffy, and once this level does fails to hold, like this level, this could drop fast right here, and then this could cascade Bitcoin to another liquidation event. So, but yesterday it was pretty nice. Levels were respected. We swept this low and then bounce, recover. After the announcement that Trump, their operation was successful, and we recovered. But now I think they're still firing missiles, they're still fighting. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but things could change, guys. Things could change. I think once the tension is done, like, liquidity will come back to the market, and maybe after gold takes the high. So I want to see what will gold do after taking all-time high this week. But yeah, that's it, boys. That's my Monday update. We might be heading lower, but you just buy and hold, you DCA, because we have a bunch of red folders this week. We got NFP, retail sales, a lot of red folders, so that might give us a boost or not, or this could nuke the market as well. So it's pretty hard to say. It's Monday. I would honestly I want to let Monday play out and see how we're going to trade. But we're still holding this range. We are at the value area low. We are respecting levels. So pretty simple TA. I want to see if we trade down and take this low now. Do we trade down and take that low, or do we go up, recover, and break out from this range and target this highs? Targets are still the same for Bitcoin, boys. So thank you boys for watching. See you guys on the next one.